Welcome Spoken English Basic to Advanced Silent Berry Don't say very quiet Say silent Don't say very strong Say powerful Don't say very weak Say feeble Don't say very hot Say sizzling Don't say very cold Say chilly Don't say very young Say youthful Don't say very old Say elderly Don't say very small Say tiny Thanks for watching